Luxury living in a spectacular setting awaits you on 4 acres, surrounded by rolling hills and vineyards, yet minutes to city amenities. Breathtaking Mount Hood views make the perfect backdrop for this brilliantly designed home with flawless landscaping. Discover a dramatic entry, soaring beam ceilings, a floor-to-ceiling cultured stone fireplace, and huge glass sliders to the covered deck. Enjoy unobstructed views of Mount Hood from the deck and nearly every room in the house. From the designer lighting to the impeccable millwork, no detail is overlooked. The gourmet kitchen includes an island with leathered granite, professional-grade appliances including a 6-burner gas stove with grill top, a built-in wine fridge, and a walk-in pantry. 2-story high ceilings and beautiful wainscoting frame the formal dining room. French doors open to the main level primary suite, where you can unwind in the spa-inspired bath with a soaking tub and rainhead shower, plus a large walk-in closet. You'll also find an office or 5th bedroom on this main level. The lower level is ready for entertaining with a wet bar and spacious family room with a custom fireplace, plus 3 additional bedrooms and 2 more full baths. Relax in the new hot tub on the covered patio while taking in the serene setting. Other features include a 3-car garage, vacuum flow central vac, and it's pre-wired for surround sound inside and out. The best of both worlds, the convenience of the city and the feel of the country. You'll find it here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.